Top 5 Best Air Horns for Trucks. Here is the item number 5. 500 dB Dual Trumpet Electric Horn. Good sound quality, unaffected, low temperature, high temperature and voltage change. This product is suitable for all models with air source device. Easy to install, shiny chrome finish and tube train horn sound. Durable, high quality material, not easy to damage. The plug has good contact, horse is not easy to see. Here is the item number 4. 12 volts 24 volts car horn air truck horn. 12 volts 24 volts car horn air truck horn 17-inch 150 dB multiple color loud single speaker for boat train auto motorcycle. High abrasion resistance, promising long life. The operating current of the control relay must be greater than 10A. It has the characteristics of high sensitivity and long service life. Here is the item number 3. 150 dB car horn 12 volts super loud. Single trumpet, super loud, chrome-plated trumpets non-rusting. Easy to install, no air system needed. Suitable for cars, trucks, boats, motorcycle, any 12 volts vehicles. Attachment screws and brackets included. Here is the item number 2. Car air horn 24 volts super loud. Air horn, 8 sounds. Multi-tone and klaxon horns. It is powered by 12 volts 24 volts DC and is usually used for large trucks, scooters, most motorcycles, mopeds, all-terrain vehicles, carts, off-road bikes and motorcycles. Made of high-quality zinc alloy, exquisite appearance and fine workmanship. Powerful police siren emits 8 different sounds. Here is the item number 1. Car air-operated horn. The horn itself without air pump. If you do not have air pump, need to buy air pump. With the air pump, be sure to remove the original horn on the solenoid valve, then install the gas nozzle and the pump outlet connected. Blare out 150 decibels loud and powerful warning voice, easily catching everyone's attention. Constructed of premium quality material to ensure maximum strength and durability for long-lasting usage. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.